To start, to check whether Java is installed or not, go to command prompt, guys. You can go search and do CMD. Here you have to type Java space -version. If we execute this command, it will show which Java version is installed in your system. If it gives this information, it says that the Java is installed successfully in our system. Hope everybody can do this. Can you guys cross check? Okay. Teja, I think in your system also it is there 1.8, right?
Yes, sir, that only.
Okay. Then Eclipse, guys, Eclipse we can download in two ways. Let me show it here. Go to Eclipse. Eclipse is what is Eclipse? Eclipse is IDE where we will write the Java programming. Got it, guys? We have NetBeans, we have PyCharm, we have then we have Visual Studio Code. This and all the tools to write the code. Go here and type with Eclipse download. Go to the official website. Here you can see here download packages. If you go to here it will show different versions of, see, for the Windows we have to click on this link and we have to download Eclipse for Java developers. Okay, now as we are working with Windows, it will work for 64-bit as well as 32-bit also, guys. Okay, how we can see which what is the version of your laptop? I think, hope everybody knows that. Go to, I think, right click. This is Windows 11. I think this was showing like this. Let me open. Otherwise, what I can do? Windows. Here, this PC will be there. Go to here. Click on properties. Guys, here it will show the system type. There is 64 operating system. In your system also it will show. If you go to, my PC or this PC will be there, you have to do the right click on properties. If you go, it will show the details of your system. But Eclipse, whichever we are going to download, it will work for 64-bit operating system also as well as 32-bit operating system also. Clear, Sharada? You are asking your system is 32-bit.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It will work. It will work for both the things. Now, guys, here, coming back to here, the Eclipse download, you have to click on this download. I am downloading the zip file. Two ways we can install, guys. Either directly you can install this exe file. If you click on this exe, automatically it will install and the path will save in the C drive. But whenever I downloaded this one, Eclipse, it will come as a zip. We have to unzip it. How we people has done? Teja, you have installed through exe or the zip file you downloaded?
Rare, sir. WinRAR. I have WinRAR software.
Okay, whatever. But you have done the same thing, right? You have downloaded this one.
Unzipped. Yes, that one.
Okay, you have to click on download. Already it is there in my system, guys. So I will stop it. I don't want to download this. So once it download, I will show how it looks like. Okay, let me go to software. It will come like this, guys. After downloading, it will be there in the downloads. I have unzipped this one, Eclipse. It will come like this. The folder will come. Sharada, hope you also got the same thing, Radha.
Yes, sir. Already I did, sir.
Okay, so if you go to here, you
Yes, sir.
This application, Eclipse application will be there. You have to right click and what you can do.
Yes.
Okay, you can create the desktop shortcut, guys. Okay, let me show.
New. More.
Here you can, I think it is Windows 11, mine, no, that's what it's showing in different option. But you can, if you do this one, it will create a shortcut in the desktop. Can you guys done that one? Anybody have any doubt till here? Otherwise, you can pin to your taskbar also. Again and again, no need to go here and create it. Clear? Any questions, guys, till here? How to download the Eclipse and configure? Sharada? Radha?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear.
Okay. Asha, for you, it is clear. I think it's there in your laptop. Try to utilize those things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, guys, so after sending the shortcut, Sharada, you have done. It is a shortcut is there in your desktop. Teja,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
can you do the double click on that? Guys, if you do the double click, it will ask the workspace. What is workspace means? The location where our code should be stored. Getting it, Teja?
Yes, sir.
Anybody have any questions till here?
No, sir.
Now what I will do, I want to store it in, let's say, here I will create one folder. Okay, let me, sorry. Folder name, your wish, guys. Whatever you want, you can create. Now, let's say I will create one new folder. That name will be, I will give Java Selenium Workspace. Okay, now take this path. Whenever you click on this Eclipse, let me close it. The shortcut, whichever, then double click, it will ask the workspace. Workspace in this thing, the location where you want to store your code. I will give this location. Till here, got it, Sharada? Hope everybody doing parallelly. Teja?
Yes, sir. Doing so.
Okay. Okay, now we have to click on, guys, don't check this checkbox. If you check this checkbox, always it will not ask for the location.
Default.
Yeah, if you
Hmm.
want to change the location, again it will be difficult. Okay, don't check this checkbox. Click on launch. Radha, are you doing?
Already done.
Already done. Okay, fine.
Already done, sir.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay, fine. Now, guys, this is the welcome screen for Eclipse. Now let me close it. It's look like this. Now let's discuss what and all, how we can do the things. Now, guys, first of all, what and all we need to learn. Okay, so what and all we need to learn? How to create workspace. Workspace means the location where our code will store. Hope everybody knows how to create the workspace. Sharada, Asha, Gayatri. Now, the second thing is in Eclipse. How to create the project. Anybody? Teja? Teja, your video is
Yes,
on.
sir.
You can switch up. How to create the project. Can you tell Teja how to create the project? Yeah, Sharada.
Go to file
Just
menu.
go to file,
Create
sir,
new.
and then create a new. You click on new and then create the project.
Asha and Radha, whoever who don't know anything about the base, just observe it. We have to go to file. Okay, and go to new. Here we can see different projects. Now we are working with the Java project. Either directly it will come here. If it is not visible here, you have to click on others, other, and go to general. Sorry, go to Java. You can select Java project over here from here. Got it? Now click on next. We have to provide the project name. Clear? Let me create Java Selenium. Project. Clear? Anybody have any questions here? Now I will click on finish. Don't create anything. Now this is the project, guys. Where it will be storing? Anybody? Where it will be storing? Gayatri?
The time of it will ask, sir, where we have to store that one.
Correct. If we go to the properties and if I go to this location, the workspace where I have created, I have created here. These are under this, whatever the things
Yes.
I will do in that, it will store it here. Till here, clear, Radha Garu? Asha?
Sir.
Okay, how to create project, guys? Go to file, go to then new, then select Java project and provide the name. Any you can provide, guys. Project name Teja. Finish. Is that correct? File, we have to go new Java project. We have to provide the name and we have to click finish. Anybody have any question till here?
సార్ ఫినిష్ క్లిక్ చేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ క్రియేట్ అని ఒక ఆప్షన్ వస్తుంది.
అది వద్దమ్మా, అది స్కిప్ చేయండి, అవసరం లేదు.
ఓకే.
Okay. Note I will keep. Close other pop-ups. If you get any pop-ups, close that one. Now, this is the Java project, guys. If you observe clearly, if I expand this one, here JRE libraries will be there automatically. JRE means Java runtime environment. Automatically, it will be created. We don't want to bother about this one. Now, what is the SRC? Anybody? Teja, Gayatri?
Source file. It's a source file.
Source.
Yes,
Source
yes. Source, Radha and Asha, for you guys. SRC means source code. Source code means whatever the code we have to write, we should write under this. Okay. Now, what is the structure, guys? Let me explain. The first thing, guys, after creating the this is the step-by-step process. We have to follow the same thing. Asha, Radha Garu, Ardhamathundandi. First,
Yes,
you have
sir.
to first you have to create the workspace, and that workspace you have to, I mean, in Eclipse you have to give that path and then create the project. After creating the project under SRC, what and all we have to do? First, we have to create the class. What is the class means? Class is anybody? Class is a group of Teja?
Collection of objects.
Group of, yes, collection,
of
whatever.
object and methods.
Yes, what is the object means? We can say collection of group of methods plus variables. We will discuss what is variable and all. Clear? Class means group of methods and variables. Now, how we can create the class? Teja, can you tell me how I can create the class?
Class
To
name.
file.
File I need to go, Teja. No, guys. So no need to go to the
Either
file. Guys.
project.
No,
Click
no.
on that project.
No, Teja. Always the project. So remember, Teja, leave it. Always we have to create the class under SRC, guys. Under SRC only we need to create the class, not under the project. Not here, Teja. You have to create under SRC. Right click on SRC, go to new. See, guys, here before creating class, you can create the package also. What is the package means? It's kind of subfolder. Let's say, for example, you are having some 10 different materials. Let's say you have Java material, lot of Java material, lot of manual testing material, lot of Python material. Let's say, for example, otherwise, let's take it. In engineering, you are having for each subject, separate documentation will be there. What you people will do? You will create the separate folders and you will keep the subject related information into the respective folder. Correct, no, Asha, Radha Garu, Gayatri? Got it? The example. Like that, the package also similar kind of functionality we can group together. That is only package. Okay, let me give the package also. Let's say Java package. How to create the package? Under SRC, you have to go right click. Let me tell you the package. Everybody clear about the package? What is the use of package? Going forward, you will come to know what is the use. Where I need to right click on what? SRC. Sharada and Teja, guys, tell me. Right click, go to new and click on package.
And then package.
New.
Give the name of the package.
Yeah, click on package.
Package
Provide any name.
name. Package
Name and finish. Okay. Now, class. How to create the class? Right click. See, guys, under SRC package we created. Under package, we need to create the class. Okay. Right click on the package. Go to new. Click on class. Now you have to provide the class name. Let me create. Let's say Java first class. As if anybody have any doubts, please do let me know. And remember, guys, always Java. Let me finish it. This one. Everybody clear? How to create the class? Sharada, Gayatri.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, guys. Here public
Sir,
means
here,
yeah,
here
Sharada.
my finish button is not working, sir.
Your finish button is
After
not working.
creating the class. Yeah, after
Okay.
creating the class, Java underscore first class, first underscore class, sir. Just first class only.
You should not give the any space. Try to give the
Yeah.
proper name.
Okay.
It should be enabled. You have to go. Let's
Okay.
see package. Got it? It worked, Sharada.
No, sir. No, sir. Just I'm checking.
Go to new and click on class. Here you can see.
Yeah.
See, if I give the space and all, you will get a red color into mark. It won't allow to finish it. You should not give any spaces while keeping the class name.
Yes, sir.
It worked?
TV.
Working or not, Sharada?
No, sir. No, sir. I'm checking. I'm checking, sir.
Okay, please take it. And here,
Serious under. Yeah, yeah.
Sharada, that's what I'm telling. Don't give whatever I'm giving. Your wish, whatever you can
Yes, sir.
easily
Yes, sir.
understand.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
should
sir.
not give any spaces while giving the name. It won't allow it. Okay.
Java underscore class 1, sir. It's fine.
Your wish. That's what you. Oh, yeah, it's fine. It should work. What happened? It's not working.
Okay, okay. It's working. Working, sir.
Okay,
Fine,
cool.
fine. Okay.
No problem. Guys, here, what is the public? We will discuss in the later classes. Public means access specifier or access modifier, we can call. We can take it, I mean, we can access from anywhere. That means, what is the class? Class is the keyword. We need to use this one. Whenever we create, automatically it will come. This is whatever the name we provided for that class. And this curly braces, guys, whatever the coding you people has to write, we have to be right under between these two curly braces. This is the class curly braces. Clear? Sharada, Gayatri, Asha, how to create the class. Now, what we have to do it, guys, right click on where we need to right click.
Right click on package.
So this is the package related. Okay, class, how we need to do, right click on package. Then go to new and click on class
Class.
and provide the class name and click on finish. Till here clear? Anybody have any questions? Teja?
Clear, sir.
Now, guys, the very important point. Now, if I want to execute the code, the if I want to execute the code, what I need to do, either I can execute from here, the run button. Otherwise, I can execute by seeing run as. If you right click on this empty space, you can see run as. Now we can't run it. Why? Because anybody can you guys tell me? Gayatri, Sharada,
We didn't write any code, sir. That's why.
The
correct?
main method, sir. There is no main
Exactly.
method.
Guys, remember, without main method, there is the one main method in Java. Without main method, the code, the Eclipse or Java will not understand. We are writing the Java code. Clear, Asha? Which method should be there? If you this code, the code, I mean, if I want to run it, the JVM should understand main method. Okay, how we will write the main method? Yeah, as I said, class is collection of or group of methods and variables. Now, in this class, any methods should, let's say 10 methods also can contain, but always main method should be there. The execution will start with the main method. If the main method is not there, the code will not execute. Observe, guys. If I do run as, here run information only I am not getting. Okay, how we can create the main method? Two ways we can do it, guys. I will tell the first method. Let me let me delete this one. I will show it. Here we take it this name, and I will delete. Let me delete one. Guys, remember always, whenever you are creating the class, go to here, new, click on class. While providing the name, can you guys quickly observe here the main method? Which method sub would we like to create? You have to select this checkbox. Public static void main. This is the main method, guys. Clear? Sharada,
Yes.
Asha, Gayatri?
Yes, sir.
You have to check this checkbox. That means this is the main method. Without this main method, the JVM, that is Java virtual machine, who is responsible to execute the code, it won't understand either we are writing Java code or not. Okay, mandatorily this main method should be there. Let me click on this main method. You can see it, guys. This curly braces for class and this curly braces for main method. Now, where we will write the code, always we need to write the code under main method. Clear? Anybody have any questions? Got it? How to create the main method? Teja?
Yes, sir.
Let's say, for example, by mistake, you forget to create the main method. How we can do that? Now, simple shortcut, guys. We have to write main. Okay. This one, the method means it will always start, I mean, start with the open bracket and close bracket. That's it. Control space, guys. If you do here, main, let me do it, main control space. Here, guys, main method. Got it, Teja? We can select this like this also. We can create the main method. There are two ways, but the preferable way is, we know it, without main method, we can't execute, we can't write the code itself. Got it, Teja? Sharada? How to create the main method. Now, without this main method, code will not execute. Now, where we need to write the code? Under this, we will write set of code here. Anybody have any questions here? After class, we need to create. While creating only, we need to select the method, main method. What is main method? It is the set of, contains set of variables and code and working code. We will write it here. Gayatri, Sharada, Asha. Clear, till here.
Yes, sir.
Now let's see. Now let's cross check. Either we can run, it will come as run as. If you go to the run as, you can see it, guys. Java application. If we don't have any main method, it won't understand this is the Java application. We are writing the code for Java application. Got it? Let's show that again. if the, let's say, main method is not there, if you do run as, see, we can't see the Java application. If the Java application is there only, we can execute the code. Clear? Let me use the main method. I copy pasted. Then again, now you see run a Java application. How we can run the program? Anybody?
By main method.
No, main method should be there to, we will write the code under main method. That is fine, Asha. And I am asking how we will run the code. You have to execute the code. How we will do? Either, remember, Asha, either directly you can click on this run button. Run, you see here in the left side there is a button. If you mouse there, it will say run. The class name will be there. Otherwise, you have to right click. You have to see here. We can create multiple classes. Let's say this is one class. This is one functionality. I can do right click on here. Go to run as. You can execute with Java application. Got it, Sharada? Rasul is done.
Yes, sir.
Arshad, sorry,
Yeah.
Rasul is done. Yeah, you
I
are.
am there, yeah.
Okay. Clear, Gayatri, Radha? This is the basic side. This is very important. Okay. Now, guys, how to run the program? Either directly click on run button. Run in taskbar, I can say, in Eclipse. Else other way, right click, then select run as and click on run as Java application. Here, guys, you have to right click, go to run as, here Java application. Okay, got it? Now, guys, the important thing, if you want to print something, which, how we have to write? Can you guys, Teja or Sharada, can you tell me how I can write? What is the code of line of code to print something?
System dot out dot
System.out.println.
println.
Yes, guys,
Yes,
the
yes,
shortcut,
yes, first yes.
S dot.
guys, the shortcut is SYSO control space.
Oh, control space. Yes.
Clear, Asha, Radha garu? SYS control space. If I give, I will get the system.out.println. This is the set of code we need to write. Whatever information we need to print it, we can provide in the double quotes. Okay, and here observe, guys, whenever I create the class, it will start with the curly braces, end with the curly braces. When I create the main method also, it will start with curly braces and end. The code always, this two will be attained. Whatever the code you will write it under this main method itself. And for each line, you have to end with the semicolon. Without this semicolon, the system will throw the error. This into mark means there is some error in this code. Clear, Asha, Rasul? Always each line of code should end with the semicolons.
Yes.
Now, what is the use of this line of code? System.out.println. Whatever information you want to print it, you want to see, we can provide inside this. Let's say my test project, something, whatever info you want. Now you have to save it, guys. Control S, we need to save. Otherwise, you can save it from here also. Now, how to run? Sharada or Asha, can you tell me how I can run the code? Asha?
Go to top side run option or right click and run.
Clear, Asha? Guys, let's see what is the, what output. Yeah, how to run? Can you tell me how to run this program? Asha, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir, I can hear.
Yeah, tell me how I can run this program. Yeah, fine, guys. Let's say we have to click on right click and go to run as, click on Java application. Now, if I run, this is the console, guys. Console is the place where I can see my output, whatever info I want to get it, whatever the execution result I can see in the console. Everybody clear about this one? Or we can, I mean, what is the use of system.out.println? Teja, Asha, Radha?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let's discuss the one by one concept, guys. Anybody tell me what is variable?
So
Well, it's
variable
no
stores
element.
variable stores the constant value.
It stores
It stores
the values.
yes.
Value. Can you guys tell me how to declare the variable?
Like we are
That-
using data types concept, integer, float, char, and double like that. Int a
Okay.
equals to something like that.
Okay. See, declaration is the different, initialization is different, guys. Declaration means, let's say data type. Yeah, this is declaration.
Declaration.
Okay. This is declaration.
If we can assign the value,
Int
then
a
equals
is
to
equal to 10.
Let's say I will give this one. That means here 20 is the value. Which, what kind of value this one? This is a integer type. And here, guys, a is the reference variable which stores the information.
address of the int.
Correct. That not address, value. Sharada, it won't store the address. It will store the value.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. This is initialization. Okay. Here a we will call it as a variable. Clear, guys? What is variable mean?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now let discuss one by one. Okay, still we have 3 more minutes. Asha, clear Asha till here? Gayatri.
Yes,
Please
sir. It's
don't if you are not getting, please ask me. Don't say simply for namesake yes. Asha, Ardhamaindama?
No, sir.
Yes or no?
No.
And then why you are saying yes? ఎక్కడ అర్థం కాలేదు మా అసలు ఫస్ట్ నుండి అర్థం కాలేదా లేదా ఎక్కడైనా సింపుల్ పర్టికులర్ టాపిక్ అర్థం కాదు
From variable, we have
you know how to create
written
the
that some 2 codes, no, sir.
no don't
That
just
yes,
example
column.
no leave about this leave about this you didn't understand but you know how to create the workspace, how to create the package, how to create the class, how to run the program. Do you know those things?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's it. That is enough. We will discuss what is variable means. Variable is the concept in the Java which it will store the information. You know how to print what is the code we need to use to print something. Print is nothing but a output we need to see. We need to use system.out.println. Whatever info you will provide within the double quotes, it will print over here. Let's say if I use your name also, Asha, let's say if I provide Asha, it will give us the Asha only. Whatever info I will provide in the double quotes, I will get it as the output. Clear, Asha?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So then what about main method, sir? What
Yeah.
it does?
This is the syntax, Asha. We have to follow this one. Package should be there. Then main class name will be there. Then main method should be there. This is the for every class. I mean, whatever the functionality you have to write, these things are common. These are mandatory. Whatever the functionality, let's say you want to add the a plus b. Let's say 2 plus 3, you need to add it. All this logic we will write it here. Got it, Asha? Let's say how the calculator is working. In calculator, they have written this code. It won't visible to you, but this code will run whenever you are entering 2 plus 3. You are getting the 5 as a result. Means the inside they could have written this code. Got it, Asha?
Yes, sir.
Without this, these are the mandatory things till here. Without this, it won't execute. It won't recognize this is a Java program only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now let's see, guys. Let discuss today. Can you guys quickly rejoin? Let me stop it here.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes,